How to adjust contrast on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to adjust contrast on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, select the project that you want to adjust the contrast on. After you open the project, tap on the clip. Once you click on it, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see these multiple options. Drag it to the left side. You can see the option for adjust over here. Click on it. After you click on adjust, you are looking to adjust contrast, right? Tap on contrast. Now drag the slider to the left or right side to adjust the contrast. Once it feels right, click on the check mark. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to adjust contrast on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.